Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to alisafdertech channel. In this YouTube tutorial, I will be letting you know how to export PowerPoint file to Microsoft file. So in this export, you can export your text as well as slides as well. So for that, you can click on File and then click on Export. Select the four option, Create Handouts, and click on Create a Handouts button. So there are five options for that. I will be selecting the last one, outline only, and you can explore other four as well. Click on OK. So once the export is ready, you can see the outline here is being exported to the Word file, and you can edit it as well. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Thank you very much indeed.